This is Nihan with EVready Energy. My guess is if you got to this video, it means you watched all the other videos and you've kind of seen or heard all of the different potential challenges that come with an electrification project or creating an electrification strategy that can end up costing you time, money, or create a challenging driver experience. EVready's team's built from 30 years in the center of the charging space. Within leadership from major charging vendors such as Tesla, ChargePoint, and others, as well as automotive manufacturers such as Lucid, we can see around corners that other companies that we're not in the space just simply cannot see because they haven't experienced all of those different things. The intention of this video is just to define what your next step should be if you're looking to build some type of an electrification plan. So number one, you want to pick the right strategic partner for you. Once you have that partner, you want to make sure that they understand your business needs. And again, have that knowledge from the center of the industry. Only a combination of those two things for a larger electrification strategy will be something that will likely stand the test of time. Next, learn how to fund it. There's so much funding out there. You should take advantage of it, especially for your longer term plan. Once you understand the funding piece, that's when you can get to the place of procurement and execution with the utility. But most companies end their assistance and support after the charging stations have been installed. You want to work with a partner that believes that that's the beginning. So station setup and management over time is critical. How you have these stations set up will impact how people feel about your charging stations, and making sure that they're always working is critical. So having a partner that will oversee that for you will provide the best ultimate electrification strategy, plan, and experience for you. Hopefully that company is EV ready. And if you have interest in having that discussion with us, please reach out by scheduling a consultation. Thank you so much, and we look forward to speaking with you.